we are the authorized distributor of Lovato CNG kits and EKC CNG cylinders in Karnataka, Tamil Nadu, and Kerala. Our RTO-approved CNG gas kit fitting centers are located in Bangalore, Chennai, Calicut, Cochin, Erode, Tirupur, and Channapatna. In addition, we have appointed authorized dealers in every district across Karnataka, Tamil Nadu, and Kerala, ensuring the installation of high-quality Lovato CNG kits, easy availability of genuine spare parts, and complete customer satisfaction. Today at our Tamil Nadu CNG fitting center, we successfully installed the advanced Lovato EXR Blue BS4 CNG kit on a Maruti Suzuki Ciaz along with EKC 60-liter CNG cylinder. EKC cylinders are constructed from seamless steel, ensuring high strength and durability. They undergo rigorous cyclic testing to evaluate their fatigue strength and expected lifespan, guaranteeing safety and reliability even under extreme conditions. EKC CNG cylinders are available exclusively through authorized dealers and service centers specializing in CNG kit installations. It is recommended to purchase from certified dealers to ensure authenticity and proper installation. We, at Lovato, have signed a memorandum of understanding with Honda Cars India, KA India, and Citroën India for the retrofitting of Lovato CNG kits in brand new cars with 0 kilometers. This partnership highlights the reputation, quality, and reliability of our Lovato CNG kits. The Lovato EXR Blue BS4 CNG kit is designed for converting petrol vehicles to run on CNG fuel. It complies with BS4 emission norms and is suitable for almost 90% of BS4 petrol cars. The kit features advanced electronically controlled sequential injection technology. You can convert all your MPFI BS4 petrol cars using the Lovato EXR Blue BS4 CNG kit, which significantly improves mileage at a lower fuel cost compared to petrol. One of the main advantages of the Lovato CNG kit is its reliability as an Italian brand, supported by an extensive service network throughout India. Additionally, the kit allows for easy switching between petrol and CNG. All Lovato CNG kits are maintenance-free and come with excellent customer support and service options. The Lovato XR Blue BS4 CNG kits includes a CNG ECU, advanced injector rail, CNG reducer, EKC, CNG cylinder, CNG filling valve, and changeover switch with sensors. This kit comes with various safety features, including automatic shut-off valves, pressure regulators, and advanced electronic control units to manage CNG flow and ensure safe operation. The Lovato XR Blue BS4 CNG kits is fully imported from Italy, manufactured at a single production facility, ensuring consistent quality. It is one of the most trusted kits globally and compatible with all BS4 MPFI vehicles. Our customers rely on us as the world's leading provider of CNG kits, recognized for our quality and exceptional after-sales service. All Lovato CNG kits are approved by the RTO and certified by ICAT in India. If you are planning to install a Lovato CNG kit in your car, it is essential to have the installation carried out by an authorized Lovato dealer to maintain the warranty and ensure the authenticity of the products. Proper tuning and calibration are crucial for achieving optimal mileage and prolonging your engine's life. Beware of cheap, low-quality Chinese ECUs commonly used by many Indian brands. These are no different from unreliable Chinese mobile phones. Lovato guarantees superior performance, durability, and safety. That's why people say Lovato CNG kits are fit and forget. For further inquiries, please contact us at 9448397692, 9448056408. Thank you for watching this video.